This is how you heat the studio when you are cold. Hello guys, my name is Doke, and as you can see, we are not in London anymore. After Italy and UK trip, we are heading for another trip tomorrow. But before that, I need to take care of something what made me angry in Italy. See that jacket over there with all these super awesome custom things? It's so ugly. Another thing that made me angry, this time in UK, it's in a picture of a sweater from Yeezy series from Kanye, and it also looks like a custom version. But guess what? Ugly again. The thing that linked these two clothing things together is the price. The Yeezy sweater costs just something around 400 euros, but that jacket, man. I didn't find that exact jacket on the internet, but if we look at Gucci DIY denim collection, for example, this jacket costs $6,050. This jacket. I wouldn't say a word if this jacket was made by some artist and it would be one of a kind in the world, in the whole world, but it is not. So ladies and gentlemen, in today's episode of The Art Life, we're gonna make a custom denim jacket. And the question is, what's the biggest price that you ever paid for any part of your clothes? Sneakers or jacket, it doesn't matter. Let me know in the comments below. And actually, before the beginning, I got one little question for you. It's about these guys. These are the desks for the table. This is desk A, this is desk B, and this is desk C. Let me know over here which of these desks you find the best for my table. Alright, we should start with the things that we will need, right? Scissors or anything sharp, sandpaper, and yeah, for sure we will need some colors, right? When I've been doing the preparation for this video, I tried to find out what kind of colors should I use. And most of the people say that you should use colors that are made for painting on clothes, but no. I'm a graffiti writer, and you should know that I got plenty of experience with color on clothes. So instead of buying some special clothing colors, I'm gonna use my traditional graffiti stuff. I'm gonna be using Molotov water-based colors. Basically, these are acrylic colors. Molotov acrylic 1-for-all markers. I will also try to use this white on the run marker or crink. And the last type of color that I'm gonna use is a traditional acrylic, cheap, I don't know what brand, color. And for sure, for this customization, we're gonna need a jacket, right? I got this. It is not a traditional light blue denim jacket. It's more dark denim, but I like it, and we're gonna make it even better. I bought this jacket for about 25 euros, maybe even less. I got all these supplies from bombingsigns.com, and if you want to get them, there's a link in the description below. So let's begin. As you might spotted, the denim clothes usually got holes in them or some kind of a damage, but this denim jacket doesn't have anything like that. So right now we're gonna make some damage. Isn't that stupid that we wear damaged clothes? The thing that we're gonna need for it is sandpaper. First of all, you need to choose the spot where you want to make the damage. I already know that I want to paint over here, so I'm not gonna make any damage over there. But let's say that over here. Take the sandpaper, put something in. If you want to make it bigger, take the scissors. Just make a hole over there. And here we go, we got our first damage. And as you can see, we got the holes over here. It looks damaged, it looks cool, maybe not. Right now I'm gonna add a few more and we'll get to the painting. I just decided to use another tool. It might be cool. Damage. And by the way, there are two options how to do this. As you can see, this hole goes straight to the skin. because there's not just this denim layer, there's also another layer, and I made a hole also over there. But if you're gonna be careful, you can keep the second layer so you're not gonna be cold in winter time, and it's still gonna look good. So I've put a little damage over here, also here. I know it's time to put some colors over there. I know that the first part where I want to paint is over here. I want to make a little artwork right over here, something like a logo. And then I want to make some big painting, or actually big quote right on the back. Guys, this is the first time ever when I'm gonna be painting on clothes, so brace yourself. I forgot to mention that we will also need brushes. I will try to start with a traditional acrylic white color. So without any water, I'm gonna take the white color. And yep, let's do this. Take some time till the color is dry. I ain't got time for it, so I'm gonna use a heat gun, but beware, don't burn your jacket.
Spartans! What is your profession?
As you know, I got my own brand though. For example, this is one of the t-shirts. We're about to paint the back side of the jacket, and what I want to put over there basically has something to do with my brand, Doke. Just a few weeks ago I finally found the meaning of the word Doke, at least in some language. In Japanese, it means get off my way. And I just love that quote. Probably it's gonna be a quote of the whole brand, and right now, I'm gonna put it to my back. I just literally smashed my car into this thing over here. As it is an old piece of crap, there's absolutely no damage. I just need to put this thing back. So I have to say that I maybe found my new passion, and I don't mean snow. I kidnapped one beautiful girl who's gonna show you the jacket. Let me know how do you like the jacket. As I said, I enjoyed it a lot, so thanks for watching and see you in the next episode of The Art Life.